According to announcement made by Department of Defense, U.S. Air Force has deployed several F-22 stealth fighter jets to South Korea. The exact number of F-22 jets involved in deployment has not been disclosed. The return of these stealth fighters after 7 months is viewed as response to ongoing regional tensions and demonstration of U.S. Air Force operational flexibility. According to state media reports, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has inspected new tactical missile weapon systems for Korean People's Army. The state media footage showcased transporter erector launchers for Hwasong-11D short-range ballistic missiles with estimated range of 100 to 180 kilometers, and each launcher can deploy 4 of these missiles. The U.S. Air Force has first time deployed its unmanned long-endurance tactical reconnaissance aircraft Ultra in Middle East. The exact location was not disclosed. Equipped with electro-optical infrared sensor turret, it can provide 360-degree ISR capabilities and it can stay in air for 80 hours. Russia has deployed its advanced Su-57 combat aircraft for missile strikes against Ukraine. Over the past 30 days, Russian forces have launched more than 6 cruise missiles from Su-57 aircraft. The Su-57 uses new Kh-69 stealth cruise missile with range up to 290 kilometers.